Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Bluehost and Hostinger. Both platforms are extremely popular and power millions of websites around the world. They offer website hosting, website builders, domain registration, and tools that allow beginners and businesses to launch websites without needing advanced technical knowledge. But here's the real question. Which platform is actually better for building and hosting your website in 2026? Let's find out. We start with Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the most well-known web hosting providers in the world. The company has been around since 2003 and currently hosts millions of websites globally. It built its reputation as a beginner-friendly hosting provider, particularly for people who want to create websites using WordPress. One of the reasons Bluehost became so popular is its tight integration with WordPress, which makes it extremely easy to launch a blog, portfolio, or business website with just a few clicks. The platform offers a wide range of services including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, cloud hosting, domain registration, and website builder tools. Overall, Bluehost positions itself as an easy-to-use, reliable hosting platform for beginners, bloggers, and small businesses looking to build a professional website quickly. Now let us talk about Hostinger. It is a fast-growing hosting company known for offering some of the most affordable web hosting plans in the industry. Founded in 2004, Hostinger has expanded rapidly and now serves millions of users worldwide. What makes Hostinger stand out is its combination of low pricing, modern infrastructure, and powerful AI-driven tools. Unlike traditional hosting companies that focus only on server space, Hostinger has heavily invested in building a full ecosystem for website creation. Some of its key offerings include shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, domain registration, and AI website builder tools. Because of this combination of affordability, speed, and beginner-friendly tools, Hostinger has become a favorite among freelancers, startups, and small businesses launching their first website. What are the main features of both platforms? Let's start with Bluehost. Free domain name. Most Bluehost hosting plans include a free domain name for the first year, which helps reduce startup costs. Free SSL certificates. Bluehost provides free SSL certificates that encrypt your website and protect visitor data. This is also essential for SEO and online trust. Built-in security tools. Security tools such as malware scanning, backups, and additional protection options help keep websites secure. WordPress optimization. Bluehost hosting is optimized for WordPress websites, offering improved performance and automatic updates. Scalability. Users can upgrade from shared hosting to VPS, to cloud, or dedicated servers as their website grows. How about the features of Hostinger? AI website builder. Hostinger includes an AI website builder that can generate an entire website in minutes using simple prompts. Drag and drop editor. Users can easily customize layout, text, and images without coding knowledge. Free domain and SSL. Most plans include a free domain for the first year and unlimited SSL certificates. E-commerce tools. Hostinger allows users to create online stores with product management, payment integrations, and analytics. Next, we have built-in marketing tools. The platform includes SEO tools, email marketing features, and analytics that help businesses grow online. Fast global servers. Hostinger uses optimized infrastructure designed for performance and fast loading speeds. Overall, Hostinger focuses heavily on ease of use and automation powered by AI tools. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. We start with Bluehost. On the standard plan, there is a starter, a business, and an e-commerce essential plans. For the starter, it costs $3.99 per month and $6.99 per month for the business plan, as well as e-commerce essential $6.99 per month. Now, have this at the back of your mind that you get these prices if you commit to paying for 3 years. But if you want to do a yearly subscription, the prices go slightly up. And it's also good to know that For the first year, you get a free domain, free SSL, free CDN enabled. How about the pricing of Hostinger? There's a premium plan that costs £1.99 per month, and you also get 3 months free. Now, this is an 85% discount as opposed to £12.99 that a premium plan costs. Also, the business plan at $2.99 per month, 80% discount. The cloud startup at £6.99 per month. These are whopping discounts. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? Let's start with the pros. For Bluehost, excellent WordPress integration, beginner-friendly setup, free domain and SSL, reliable infrastructure and strong customer support. And the pros of using Hostinger? Extremely affordable pricing. It has AI website builder tools and a fast performance, also great for beginners. What about the cons? For Bluehost, the renewal prices are high and some security features require extra payments. And the cons of Hostinger? The renewal prices also increase significantly and there's limited advanced developer features. So which platform is better in 2026, Bluehost or Hostinger? Well, here's a summary. Choose Bluehost if you want a WordPress-focused hosting platform with strong long-term scalability. And choose Hostinger if you want the most affordable hosting with modern AI website building tools. Both platforms are excellent, but Hostinger tends to offer better value for beginners in 2026, while Bluehost remains a strong choice for WordPress users. And that's it on the comparison of Bluehost and Hostinger. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SiteGround, DreamHost, and Squarespace. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.